Summertime, guys, it's time for party. This is a new speaker from this party speaker system from Sharp. It's a new model. It's the PS929. As you can see, this is the outside of the box now. Nice design, different pictures here. Total power 120 watts. This is the other side. It's a Bluetooth, plays FLAC, MP3, USB. Even a mic I can see outside of the box here, as you can see it here this way. I hope I will find it inside the box. So we have powerful 180 watts maximum power, 12 hours of battery. It's a Bluetooth super bass effect, flexible use. There are two drivers, 6.5 inch and two tweeters 2 inches. So it's and includes microphone for karaoke, they say here, and there is a connect your musical instrument through guitar in. There is a guitar in if you play guitar. So it's a full system that generates and plays music. We open the box now. We cut the tape here to see it, and we're gonna find it. So here we are. The first thing that we discover is the manual. This is the manual of the quick start guide, as they said, in different languages, of the PS929 party speaker from Sharp. Quick start guide, as we say. Here is the upper control, or the buttons and controls here, and here we have the inputs. We have two USB inputs, mic in, guitar in, auxiliary in, and power to charge it or to drive it. So we have, this is the user manual, this is the quick start guide, this is the user manual. So here we have more details about how to use the product. As we say, this is a very powerful machine. It's for parties, for good time. It's to take outside with you, to take it to the, when you are on holidays, to the beach for parties and to enjoy yourself. Next thing that we discover is the power supply to charge the device. Okay, this is the power supply. Let's check it closely and we see the ratings here. It's 37.5 watts. 37.5 watts. This is powerful to charge it. 12 volts, output 12 volts. It's not USB. We need a lot of power here, a lot of energy to charge it, so we have a special adapter for this. And then we continue the unboxing and we discover what this is: the mic, the microphone to perform. If you like that you are a good singer, you can perform karaoke. This is one channel, okay? This is on-off Sharp microphone for this party speaker. This is metallic here, the body is plastic, but it's very nice to have to sing hours and hours. And now it's time to remove the actual product, the actual speaker from the box. This is the speaker here. It's heavy, it's not something, it's not a toy, it's very powerful. So this is the actual speaker that we're unboxing here. This is the Sharp Party Speaker System PS929. Let's remove the bag. Underneath is the tape. It looks promising. So this is the speaker. It's not bad. It has built-in light to a metallic grill. The back side, let's have a closer look. This is the back side, you see here. This is the serial number base port, elastic here. It's covered. This is the inputs and outputs. The inputs, two USBs, one for charging, one for playback probably, mic input, guitar input, auxiliary in for charging, and on-off button. and then we can cover it for for the water and for for protection. This is the controls here. Let's turn it around. We have the controls here: super bass button, the red one, mic and guitar volume, master volume control, and this play next light equalizer mode. We're gonna check all this. This is a handle to carry it. And as we said, there are two drivers and two tweeters, two big woofers, 6.5 if I remember correctly, and two tweeters, 2 inches each. And underneath here is the light. So we turned on the speaker. You see blue light inside, a flashing light underneath there, below here. And from we change the color now, just pressing a button. These colors will be played when according to the music. If we start playing with the Pro, that's a nice color. We have blue, we have red, green, blue again, yellow, magenta, cyan, and all these colors. And on the look, this color here. And up here, well, there is another display that presents LED display. That means you can see it during the night. That shows the volume control, different selections, light control, equalizer, on, off, flat, bass, pop, and boost, super bass booster. This is the new speaker from Sharp. It's beautifully crafted. Okay, it's not that big, it's not that small. It's about the size of Party Box 100 of JBL. It's about that size. But this has more features I can see. Battery is big enough, and the inputs and outputs are here. It comes with a microphone as well. So now I'm using the microphone to see how loud is the speaker. You can increase the volume very high. 1, 2, 3, check, check. So it works. I will become a singer now. Maximum input now, maximum level of power. Let's check very powerful. So that was the video demonstration of the new party system speaker from Sharp PS929. Total weight, because it's very good to know, it's 6.7 7 kilos, almost 7 kilos, 6.7 kilos is total weight, so you can carry it around, it's not that heavy. Thanks for watching.